What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, Bad Vibe Server Collection, bringing you an unwrapping video, unboxing video, whatever you want to call it. Today we got ourselves the Lightning Red / Chrome watch, 1 of 100 limited edition. This was the December 26th drop, and I was lucky enough to get one of the 100 watches. Stupid retail of $188. It was like $2 something out the door. Very steep retail, so hopefully the quality is immaculate. With all that said and done, you already know the vibe. Let's get into this. Took about, today's the 17th or 18th of January. It took quite some time to get here. Well, don't want to expose my address, so you're going to have to pull this out carefully. I like how they bubble wrapped it so the box itself doesn't get damaged. That's very nice of them. Very nice indeed. Let's go ahead and let me look at this real quick so I don't expose my Addy. And here we go. Check it out. Lightning Watch Black Size Chrome Limited Edition 1 of 100. Shipped on the 6th, but really didn't ship until what day is it? Like 2-3 days ago, maybe 4 if that. Here's the watch. There's a little card, the certificate. Before we open it, any predictions on what number I'm gonna get? Comment down below. I'm thinking I got 2 numbers in my idea. A low number and a high number. I'm thinking number 13 or number 87. All right, number 13 or 87. Either or, whatever I get, I'm gonna be happy with. I'm just excited to actually own one of these. Let's open it. There we go, found the tape. I might have to stop the video when I get to like a certain part of it if I want to take a picture, if I see like I want to take a picture of it dead stock. So we'll see about that. Very happy they bubble wrapped it. They could have just threw this box in that polymer bag and had like all the corners dinked up, but I'm glad they did that for this. Wow, here it is. So first we got the revenge card of the certificate of authenticity. Very nice. I got a 2-year warranty as well. Edition size, 100 pieces. Here is the dead stock packaging. Okay. At this point, I am going to take a picture of this because, yeah, this is like it being dead stock type of thing. So I will be right back. And just like that, we're back. Let's go ahead and remove this tape so we can reveal the product. Additionally, I think I might have to go back out there one more time because I know the actual watch itself has some plastic around it, but we'll see. Now already, from what I've seen, this box looks way better than the one that they dropped for the spider one. It had like a spider basically on the watch. I really like this matte black finish. Revenge is in the creator's hands. Very cool. What we got here? Powered by, let's try and get that focused. Powered by MSTR Revenge 2024. It's like a book. Okay, it's like a magnetic book, so let's go ahead and open it together. Boom, the watch. Okay. Wow, right off the rip, that thing looks beautiful. It is in plastic, so I am going to go back out there for one more photo shoot. I think I'm just going to take it out now. I'll definitely be able to see the number right now. But wow, this thing's got some weight to it. Don't worry, that's not scratches, that's the protective film. Okay, let's check out the number together first before I do that. Okay, number 13 or 87 is what I came up with. Hopefully it's a low number. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. What is it? What the heck? Why is it blue? Oh, anyways, I can't tell. Come on. Focus. I'm going to try to tab on my screen. Oh, there we go. Number... I was pretty close. 85, I think. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, it's number 85. I was pretty close. 87, 85. Let me check with my actual eyes. Yeah, limited edition number 85. Cool. Let's go. Oh, come on, focus. All right. That's sick. I was 2 off. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neato. Yeah, give me a second, guys. Let me go ahead and take a picture of this, like, with the plastic, and then I'll be right back to open it up and finish this unboxing video. Peace. And we're back for the third and the final part of this unboxing video. Sorry about that, guys. I still can't believe I got number 85. 2 off of what I guessed. I like it. I like it a lot. It's got some weight to it. That's what I do. I do like that. I'm going to do this kind of not looking through the camera. Trying to figure out where to start. Probably right here. Yeah. There we go. Oh, the clasp has a Revenge Lightning logo on it. That's such a nice little touch. Look at this. Ew. Ew. Whatever. But look at this. Revenge Lightning logo on the clasp. Whoo. That's nice. Yeah. First and probably only Revenge watch. Unless they somehow come out with the Kill Hoodie one. You guys are going to see this after the drop, but man, I'm so excited for the January 23rd drop coming up. I hope they drop some really cool pieces. What they previewed so far hasn't really caught my eye, other than embroidered kill hands, but that's besides the point. Yeah, we're talking about this watch, not the drop. Get this plastic off. I'm probably gonna have to go get it resized. You know, pay $5-10, get the clasp, like one of the clasp things off one of these links. Ooh, it feels a lot better now by itself. I could definitely see like my fingerprints and stuff getting on it. Oh, here's the last part. Boom. Wow, look at that thing. Jeez. Oh, sorry, one more part. Then we're through. Yeah, let me know if you guys mess with this watch in the comments. Probably not everyone's a watch person, especially because Revenge is known for hoodies, not really watches. But I think it's really cool that they're doing a little limited series of 1 in 100 watches. Oh, we got one more piece in the back there, but we got to figure out how to open this clasp. Is it a button maybe? Oh, this pops up. And I guess this will pop up, right? Well, that'll pop up, okay. And then the last blue strip. Boom, completely undead stock now. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on the left. Since I'm a righty. Let's go ahead and see what happens. I've been doing this on, like, in person, not on camera, sorry. There it is. You definitely need to get it resized. Otherwise, it's like that. But wow. That thing's nice. With the Revenge in the Creator hands around the outside. That is dope. Is the time right? It is. Nope, definitely not right on the time. I gotta readjust that. Does this turn? Oh my gosh, it does turn. I can't turn it this way, but only the other way. This turns. I think. Can I pick it out? Okay, let me take this off first. This is kind of a long unboxing video, that's for sure. How do you... oh, yeah, there's that part. Stoops. Oh, and then this. Okay, I'm getting used to it, guys. I'm getting used to it. Hold on. Learning process. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I guess I'll try to... Oh, little attention to detail goes a long ways over here. You got a nice little R for the dial, or whatever you call this, little spinny notch thingamabob. That's awesome. Here's a little more close-up of it. Right there. Very nice. I love the little attention to details with the lightning logo here and the R. See if we can check out that back one more time for you guys. Oh, Oh, last protective layer film thingy right here. Boom. Okay, then if we go like that, limited edition. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, this is really hard. Was that a 6? Looks like 65. Yeah, that's 65. Cool, it's even lower. Okay, I was not off by 2. I'm tripping. My vision is going bad. I got number 65. Dang, that is tiny though. Like, that is really hard to see. I bought this thing right away too. I wonder what, like, the lowest is out there, if anyone got it. Like, if anyone got number 1, if they kept it, type of thing. Yeah, this unboxing video's got a lot longer than I expected initially. But, yeah, I'm just really happy with it. Really like the weight of it, feel of it. It does feel quality. Definitely worth the $200 in my opinion. Just gotta get it resized so it fits me properly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Thanks again so much for watching. If you did like this, please go ahead and like it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I post daily content until I run out of content ideas and stuff to post. Again, thank you guys again so much for watching. Have a great day.